Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all of you. This topic is for the class 3rd and the chapter that we are reading is living and non-living things. Students, we read different features of living and non-living things, and today we are going to read some more features about living things, and with this we are going to complete this chapter. Students, the feature that today we are going to read is living things feel change. Living things feel change in their environment. Students, we feel hot in summer and we feel cool in winter. So what do we do in summer? Students, when there is lots of hotness in the summer, we wear cotton clothes. And in winter, when the temperature is very down, we feel cool. So what do we wear? We wear woolen clothes. These are the changes that we feel in different seasons, and with different seasons we change our clothes too. So in summer we wear cotton clothes, and in winter we wear woolen clothes. And that's the thing about change, that is, we feel change. We feel different kinds of change from the environment due to our sense organs. Students, sense organs are those organs with the help of which we feel change in the environment. Students, we have 5 sense organs. First one, eyes. Second, ears. Third, nose. Fourth, tongue. And fifth one, skin. Students, eyes help us to see. We see different kinds of objects. We see the beauty of world by the help of eyes. Second one, ears. Students, we hear with the help of ears. Third one, nose. Students, we feel smell of anything with the help of nose, which is a sense organ. Fourth one, tongue. Tongue is a sense organ that helps us to taste. Students, tongue is having taste buds, millions of taste buds over its surface, and we do feel taste with the help of tongue. That's our fourth sense organ. Fifth one is skin. Students, we feel with the help of skin. So these are the 5 sense organs due to which we feel change in the environment. Plants also feel, but they do not have sense organs. Students, as in the last topic we saw the plant Mimosa pudica, or it's also called as touch me not flower. It closes its petals when it is touched, so it feels the touch. That's why it closes. So it feels also change. So plants also feel change, but they do not have sense organs. Another feature of living things is, students, that living things reproduce, while as non-living things do not reproduce. Likewise, living things feel change and non-living things do not feel change. So we will see how living things reproduce. Students, reproduce, it means that living things produce young ones of their own kind. For example, some produce babies like cow, goat and cat. What do? They produce simply babies. So they produce young ones of their own kind. And some living things lay eggs like hen, sparrow. What do? They lay eggs. So they produce young ones of their own kind. Students, while as non-living things, they do not reproduce. Neither they feel change nor they reproduce. But living things feel change well as they reproduce, while some produce babies and some lay eggs. Students, plants also reproduce, with the help of seeds. For example, when we sow seeds in the soil, what happens? It gives rise to a complete plantlet, and after that, that plantlet grows into a plant. Plants reproduce by seeds, well as sometimes by stems, roots and leaves. For example, students, sometimes what do we do? If we plant a twig from a plant in the soil, maybe that twig may be a stem or root that grows into a complete plant. So, plants also reproduce either by seeds, and sometimes they reproduce by stems, roots and leaves. So students, this was all about the chapter of living things, features of living things and non-living things. So students, at the end I'd like to tell you that what are the features of living things. Like we read that living things need food to stay alive. Living things move from one place to another place. Living things do breathe oxygen, and living things do breathe, and while for example animals breathe oxygen and they give out carbon dioxide, while as plants breathe carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen. And we also read today that living things feel change, while as non-living things do not, and living things do breathe while as non-living things do not, and living things reproduce while as non-living things do not. This was all about the chapter of living and non-living things. Now students, today a homework for you. How many sense organs we have? Name them. How many sense organs we have? Name them. Thank you.